Let's start the Rev exercise. Stretch your left arm forward with your hand facing the ceiling. Grab your left hand with your right and pull towards your body. Now the other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Switch arms again and do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now the other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Switch arms again and do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now the other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. 2 more sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now the other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now the other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Raise your arms above your head, facing your palms outwards, while lowering your elbows to your shoulders. Face your palms to your front. Open your elbows and raise your arms. Return to the first position. Feel your back and your shoulders. 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. Rotate your shoulders in a wide circle and relax. Fold your arms behind your back, push your shoulder blades toward each other and lean your upper body forward. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate your shoulders and your hips and relax. Relax your ankle. Place your hands on your hips and raise one of your legs waist high with your knee bent 90 degrees. Now the other leg. If you're having trouble keeping your balance, feel free to use a chair to help. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch to the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time for the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax the hip joints and legs. Raise your knees and rotate them outwards to stretch the leg joints. Relax. Let's make today another healthy and revved up day.